everybody, I'm Prerna Lad, and I know it's been a long time since we've last met. It's been like 2-3 months. So I'm really sorry as I was a bit busy, so I couldn't make the videos. And now I'm back with a new math topic named fraction. So first we'll start with what is a fraction. So the word fraction is derived from the Latin word named fractus, meaning a broken part of a whole. So a fraction has two parts actually, that are the numerator and the denominator. So take for example 2 by 3. So in this, 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. The denominator means the number of total parts and the numerator means the number of parts that we are taking in considering. So this is another example. So this is a pizza, and for example, Alyssa ate three slices of the pizza. So in this, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. 4 is the equal parts the pizza is divided into, and 3 is the number of parts Alyssa ate, and there's one part missing or left to eat. Now there are many different types of fractions. For example, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. So let's start with like fractions. So a like fraction is a fraction with the same denominators. For example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. So in this, the denominators are the same. So the denominator is 3 in 2 by 3, and in 4 by 3 also the denominator is 3. So that is why 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 are like fractions. Next comes unlike fractions. So unlike fractions is the complete opposite of like fractions. In unlike fractions, the denominator is different from the other fraction. For example, 5 by 6 and 7 by 4. In this, the denominator is 6, and in this also the denominator is 4. So that's the complete opposite. Like, these are not the same. So that's why they have different denominators. Next comes unit fractions. A unit fraction is a fraction which has the numerator as only 1 and no other number. So take for example 1 by 9 and 1 by 2. The denominator can however be different. So it has 1 as the numerator. Next comes proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. So let's take for example 2 by 6 and 7 by 9. In this, the numerator is less than the denominator in both things, like 2 is less than 6 and 7 is less than 9. Next comes improper fractions. So improper fractions is the complete opposite of proper fractions. In an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's take for example 6 by 5 and 4 by 2. In this, 6 is greater than 5 and 4 is also greater than 2. So the numerator is greater than the denominator. So an improper fraction is always greater than one whole. So just remember that part. And the last fraction is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole part and a fractional part. Now let's take for example 6 7 by 5 or 4 2 by 6. So in this, the whole part is 6 and the fractional part is 7 by 5. So in this, the whole part is 4 and the fractional part is 2 by 6. So we can convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and an improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction. So it's vice versa. So that's it for today, and I'll come back with the part 2. So bye.